everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is the Charlie's Nail Art collab. So things have changed a little bit, so it's going to be done every Friday, and our brand ambassadors, we can choose the themes and things like that, so we're getting more involved in it, which I think is fantastic. So I chose the first one, which is autumn colours, just to kind of sort of bring in the autumn. So yeah, so I'm thinking, because it's going to be every Friday, maybe Charlie's Friday collab to name it, or Charlie's Fridays, I don't know. Let me know if you have any ideas down in the comments. So I'm going to be doing a gel design today, so I'm going to use this Aimeili polish. This is 032, so this is a really pretty brownie colour. I will have a swatch video with these very soon. So yeah, I think I'm using these tips today. So yeah, kind of had no idea what I'm going to do. So yeah, I will stick some music on. If I need to do a voiceover, I will. If not, I will come back at the end and we'll have a look and see what we created. Okay, see you outside. Bye. So this is the finished design. What do you guys think? I think it turned out beautiful. I really, really like it. And this glitter mix, wow. It is so pretty. Autumn Stroll it's called. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And this dot mix, it took me ages. I had to eventually do it off camera because I was faffing. But I think it's so pretty. And this is one of the leaves out of the glitter mix. And then this is the foil. So yeah, I really like how this came out. I think it turned out really pretty. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know your thoughts. I hope you do like it. Don't forget to check out the hashtag to see everybody else's designs. Because everybody in this collab does such a great job every single time. So don't forget, it's every Friday now. And I thought I would call it Charlie's Friday or Charlie's Collab Friday, something like that. Anyway, let me know down below. Don't forget, if you do make an order, don't forget to use my discount code. Feel free to share. You can use it as many times as you want. There is no limit, nothing. I don't make anything from it, but it's just to give back to you guys. Well, I will post some pictures at the end, and I think I'm going to leave it glossy today. I don't think I'm going to do it matte. I don't think I will. If you do want to see it matte, let me know in the comments, and I can put a matte top coat and post a matte picture over on Instagram. But yeah, let me know down below what you think. I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you're not subscribed, have a look around, see what you think. I'd love to get to 1,000 subscribers just so I can have my community page, so I can communicate a bit more with you guys, which I think would be really nice. And yeah, let me know down below what you think. Well, thank you so much for watching. Everybody take care, stay safe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. So then, take care. Bye.